Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for managing your team's schedule: adding events to your SharePoint site. If you're using SharePoint for collaboration in 2025, this feature is a game changer for keeping everyone on the same page. Whether you're planning meetings, deadlines, or company events, adding events is straightforward and efficient. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site. If you haven't already, head to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific SharePoint site where you want to add the event. It's usually under Sites in your dashboard. Now, look for the Events or Calendar app. In the latest SharePoint updates for 2025, this might be integrated directly into your site's homepage or under the Apps section. Click on it to open the Calendar view. Here, you'll see any existing events, but we're focusing on adding a new one. To add an event, hit the New or Add Event button. It's usually a plus sign or a prominent button at the top. You'll be prompted to enter the event details. Start with the basics. Give your event a clear title, like Team Meeting or Product Launch. Next, select the date and time using the built-in calendar picker. Don't forget to add a location, whether it's virtual via Teams or in person. Make it even more helpful by adding a description. This is where you can include agenda items, attachments, or links. If your event repeats, like weekly stand-ups, check the recurrence options to set it up automatically. Once everything looks good, hit Save, and then Publish to make it visible to others on the site. And just like that, you've added your first event. SharePoint will notify team members if they're following the calendar, keeping everyone informed. Remember, you can always edit or delete events later if plans change. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SharePoint tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.